Just simply come on this website, choose how much money you want to make, then come over here and follow me along, and I'll show you exactly how you can make thousands of dollars in passive income. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get paid $3,300 collecting emails on Autopilot. This method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. But before we move any further, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer. The following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So guys, make sure to watch this from the start till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to avplus.com. So guys, when you come on to avplus.com, you will see this dashboard in front of you. Now, AvPlus is basically a website through which you can get a lot of affiliate offers for yourself. Now, over here, we can see that we have affiliate offers that are going to pay us 30 euros, $12, $0.40, and like basically a lot of money. Like for example, if you were to promote this particular offer, which is the Walmart $1,000 gift card, you will be making $2.5 for every single person that signs up for this particular card. Like literally, if a person signs up, you will be given $2.5, and that is not an exaggeration because that is pretty simple over here and that is done all the time. So now I want you to basically find a product from over here. I want you to click on the search bar, and again guys, this is just my method. I'm gonna choose weight loss. You can choose anything. You can choose gambling, you can choose whatever you want to, but I'm gonna choose weight loss because this particular niche has so much opportunity and so many more ways through which you can actually make money. So that is why I'm gonna choose this one. So once I choose this one, I can see that this particular product over here is gonna pay me $93 whenever a person buys this particular product. And if I were to promote this one, well, they're gonna pay me $600. So like I'm gonna choose this one, and this is also international as well. So I'm gonna choose this one, and now I want you to click on join network. Now, once you click on join network, you will basically have to sign up with them. And once you sign up with them, they will provide you with their affiliate link. And once you have your affiliate link, you are essentially done with step number 1. And now you can basically check their description, their GEO. You can even share this offer with other people who might want to do this. So yeah, definitely a great opportunity. So now we're going to move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come on to freeplrdownloads.com. Now guys, free PLR downloads is basically a platform that is going to let you get free ebooks with all the private label rights that you can basically sell them as your own. Now you guys must be wondering where are you going to be selling these particular books? Well guys, you are not going to be selling them anywhere, but you are going to be promoting them. I mean, if you were to go up to a person and say that here's my link, click on it, well, nobody's going to click on it because you don't seem legit. But if you have a book per se and you say read my book, I just came out with it, well then people are definitely going to be much more interested in your conversation and they will definitely take a look at your book. So now I want you to click on the search from the left side, and I want you to type in weight loss. Now you can type in whatever your product was, so basically focused on your product. So I'm going to type in weight loss, and then I want you to simply download any one of these books depending upon which one you like. I'm going to choose this particular book because this has a very nice book cover over here, and this is basically also 40 pages long. So I want you to scroll down. I want you to click on download and simply download this onto your computer. And once you have this particular book on your computer, now I want you to go to Google and I want you to type in PDF editor. Now once you type in PDF editor, after that, I want you to open up the first link that comes up. And once you open up that first link, I want you to click on upload PDF file, and then simply choose that particular book that you just downloaded. So once you have basically opened this book, now over here you can basically read all the different things. So now I want you to just simply zoom out if it's too much zoomed in, and then I want you to just take a look over here at the book itself. So the content seems to be very nice so far, and now I want you to simply scroll up. Now over here I want you to simply before the synopsis, I want you to press enter 2 times, and I want you to type in get this awesome weight loss product right now. So once you do this, simply decrease the text size And then after that, I want you to increase the text size for synopsis because that is a heading and that should be big. So like definitely like try to do this, and then just simply copy this text. And once you copy this text, simply remove the text that was above. Now I want you to click on over here. I want you to press enter in this particular box of text. So I want you to press enter. I want you to paste that over here. So like once you have this over here, now I want you to like just simply backspace all the useless things. And now I want you to just move it around over here. Maybe like try to decrease the size so that it fits in perfectly. And once we do this, yeah, so like now this looks pretty nice. So now I want you to like just simply go back to F+ and paste your affiliate link at the bottom. So like just simply paste your link over here. And once you paste your link over here, well, after that you will be good to go. Now you can simply like download this particular PDF in your computer quickly without much problem. So at the bottom, click on apply changes, and then I want you to simply save it again onto your computer. So once you save it again onto your computer, you are going to be done with step number 2 as well. So just wait for a couple of seconds and this will start downloading, and you will be able to like save it onto your computer. So guys, so this was step number 2, and now we're going to jump into step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to facebook.com. So once you come on to facebook.com, I want you to click on the search bar from the top left, and I want you to type in over here weight loss. So once you type in weight loss, and now you can see all of these videos come up, all of these articles come up, and all of these different threads and conversations come up. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to from the left side click on groups, and then I want you to just simply start joining all of these groups. Now why do you want to do this? Well, firstly because like these groups, they have like thousands and thousands of members. Like they have 66,000 members. I mean, like some have 40,000, some have 120,000, some have 98,000, and some even have 646,000 members. So like that is free audience waiting for you guys, and you guys can just literally like just click on download, and you guys can just literally like join these groups and then send them messages with your ebooks link saying that, hey, if you want to check out the best book online for weight loss, check out this link, or simply upload your book as a PDF. Like for example, if I were to go on to this group, I'm gonna click on join group. And now I can simply like click on create a public post, and now I can simply drag and drop the video, and now I can simply drag and drop the PDF that I just downloaded, and I can simply type in over here, if you want the best weight loss product, click here. So like after that, click on post, and your post is going to be posted. So like it is that simple, and it will start getting a lot of traffic.
And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now.
So guys, that is basically how it works, and honestly this is super simple to get started with. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.